Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Kusama has proposed new ways to beef up the Shiba Inu token burning campaign. Reports from the developer point to Shiba Eternity as the new burn avenue as soon as the blockchain version of the game launches. In this video, we will talk about Binance partnership makes Shiba Inu coin holders millionaires. Get ready and never work again. Explained. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu is one of the tokens flipping green on the 19th of September after a gruesome weekend session that saw the meme token extend its down leg slightly below $0.00001000. The launch of Shiba Eternity card game launched in Australia failed to positively impact the price, paving the way for a descending triangle pattern breakout. Sustainable recovery is anticipated if SHIB reclaims support at $0.00001179. The iOS version of the much anticipated Shiba Eternity card game went live in Australia over the weekend. Developers are working on an Android game version expected in a few days. SHIB Army. There will be burns from the game, period. Upcoming details will explain why Shiba Eternity is powerful, challenging, and great for Shiba Inu, Shiboshi holders, and Shibarium once the blockchain version is released. The real question is, where will you be on download day? Satoshi Kusama said via Twitter on September 17th. The Shiba Inu burn rate soared the previous week, tagging a new record high. Approximately $61,329,300 worth of SHIB was destroyed last week alone, sending the burn rate 42% higher. In the past 24 hours, there has been a total of 61,329,300 SHIB tokens burned and 9 transactions. SHIB burn announced via Twitter. Despite the skyrocketing burn rate, Shiba Inu's price slipped out of a descending triangle pattern. Support at $0.00000105 cushioned SHIB price from stretching its down leg 46.10% below the breakout point at $0.00001178. Traders started buying Shiba Inu's price after its bearish candle wick tagged a low of $0.00000999 on the 18th of September, which explains the meme token's bullish outlook on Monday. SHIB's new uptrend will remain shaky until the breakout point at $0.00001178 is reclaimed. Otherwise, losses might stretch 46.11% to $0.00000632. The same daily chart reveals a bearish signal from the moving average convergence divergence indicator. Shiba Inu price is bound to trend south if the MACD continues negatively divulging from the price. Potential support areas lie at $0.00000999 and $0.00000850. If push comes to shove, downhill levels to $0.00000632 would be tested. The IOMAP by Into the Block points to a robust resistance range between $0.00001100 and $0.00001200, likely to arrest the Shiba Inu price bullish move. Around 12,700 addresses previously bundled up 50.76 trillion SHIB tokens. A break above this zone is very unlikely because, as the Shiba Inu price recovers, holders within the area may sell at their respective break-even points, cementing the resistance. Shiba Inu holders are finally getting some relief after their token became the latest victim of the crypto slide. Satoshi Kusama announced the arrival of important updates to the Shiba ecosystem. According to Kusama, the updates will be great for SHIB, Shiboshi holders, and Shibarium. Could this imminent download day be the perfect rebound opportunity for Shiba Inu as it struggles in the current climate? Despite the crypto bloodbath on the 19th of September, SHIB holdings are seeing strange moments among top crypto whales. A recent whale tracking site update shows the top 5,000 Ethereum whales hold $143.06 million worth of SHIB. The Shiba Inu burning portal SHIB Burn has cited the increasing pace of the burning rate of SHIB tokens. With this in mind, the past 8 days saw over 550 million SHIB tokens being sent to a dead wallet. In the past week, the burn rate increased to a 4-digit mark. On the 16th of September, the token burned close to 200 million coins, and the burn rate spiked by nearly 3,000%. Despite these optimistic sentiments, the markets looked bleak. SHIB was trading at over 11% losses on the daily chart at $0.0000106, with weekly losses at over 20%. The fall in the overall market sentiment has also led to a drop in trading volume on Shiba Inu, which has moved to its lowest point since the 5th of June. Over 284 billion of SHIB was traded in losses compared to the 157.4 billion traded in profits. This was just a reflection of the meme coin's dire state, which continues to trend in tandem with the rest of the crypto market. The price fall was also seen in the MVRV ratio of the meme token. The MVRV ratio stood at around minus 14.38%, highlighting that the trader's profitability had massively fallen in the past few days. But this has been the general trend for the SHIB token in the past month. Sir John Richmond, an official business partner of Shiba Inu, is ready to build a buzz with his new collection and loads of big news as Milan Fashion Week is about to start. John Richmond, a famous English designer based in Italy, recently posted a tweet and announced that he is ready to display his new collection in the upcoming Milan Fashion Week starting September 20th, 2022. In addition, Shiba Inu's official IRL business partner created curiosity among Shiba Inu community by saying he would come up with loads of big news at the event and asked the community a question: what do you expect from this fashion week? In his tweet, John Richmond wrote, "Milan Fashion Week is just around the corner, and the city is already building buzz. Sir John Richmond is ready to present his new collection with loads of big news coming your way. What do you expect from this fashion week?" Shibarium is a blockchain layer 2 solution first proposed by Ryoshi, the creator of Shiba Inu coin. Once it launches, SHIB tokens will be migrated to the L2. Ryoshi initially used the phrase blockchain. Shibarium is more likely to be an L2 that sits on top of an already existing blockchain. The SHIB creator said, "The line between an L2 and own blockchain is thin. I mean, what is the difference really between Matic L2 and BSC?" It's worth noting here that Shibarium is not its blockchain, nor does it mean a Shiba Inu 2.0 token is coming. SHIB will remain connected to Ethereum. One of the primary goals will be to lower transaction fees for those in the Shiba ecosystem. Ryoshi first said that Shibarium's transaction fees would be minimal or even zero. Speaking on the Shiba Discord, Shitoshi Kusama, the Shiba project lead, said, "Shibarium will offer low fees for every service, game, or whatever that builds on it." The cryptocurrency was fighting against the bearish trend that surmounted the whole market. Fortunately, Shiba Inu broke through the odds and recorded impressive growth in March. In the past week, it registered a 20% spike according to CoinMarketCap data. On the other hand, SHIB Army is also trying to bring SHIB back into the spotlight. Constant burnings and newly added features in the Shiba Inu ecosystem are expected to pump more value this year. Therefore, investors are already staking up the Shiba Inu token before it could go on a 2021-like rally. Remarkably, this Shiba rally in 2022 was a big surprise to many crypto enthusiasts. Although SHIB didn't disappoint the investors despite the bear takeover, the market was not expecting the beginning of the bull run in March. Shiba Inu has now managed to pair up some of the losses made this year and is already above its 20 and 50-day exponential moving averages. Still, it has to keep up the pace to break its temporary resistance level. But according to predictions, SHIB could record a 100% spike this month. Recently, Shiba Inu has made its debut in Netcoins, an online cryptocurrency brokerage that makes it easy to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies in Canada. Besides, fashion brands, including John Richmond, have announced SHIB and leash burns to pump the value of the tokens. Anonymous whales are also purchasing Shiba Inu tokens in large numbers. On the 30th of March alone, over 621 billion SHIBs were secured by the top ETH whales. A prediction of Shiba Inu made by a crypto research firm, Telegon, that employs AI has caught sight of the community. The firm expects SHIB to hit a maximum of $9.61 by the year 2050. Learning from the detailed analysis, SHIB is expected to hit a new ATH by 2025, following the halving of Bitcoin. The analysts expect Shiba Inu to claim a new ATH by 2040. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.